friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Bandouliere dupe from Walmart, and this one is in different print than my previous one, as this one is damier ebene or azur. I don't know, but I show you. So here is the package. I've got it from Walmart on the page, but I guess they have it from China. Here is the Chinese sticker, and then it comes in this bag, which is just dust bag. And then let's take it out. And here is the bag. It has some fabric, some smell, which I hope air out. And this is how it looks. So it's the same model, Speedy Bandouliere, with those things here. It has gold tone hardware. It's made from nice and thick. This part is really thick, nice and sturdy. It has two handles. This part is made also from fake leather. It's not the real one, like in original bag. As in the original, this would be leather, real leather, and this is just some other kind of leather. So it looks like this, but it's nice. At least I don't have to worry about patina process and getting it wet or dirty. It has nice red glazing here, which is really nice. So inside I have a belt. Let's unbox back. Unpack from this foil. So this nice belt with yellow stitching and red glazing at the sides. Has buckle here and 5 loops. 5 loops. How it's called, holes. And also has this thingy that you can put. It's a little loose. So let's put it on my bag. My bag has small defects, I can tell. This one has small paint stains, as you can see here. Here, small paint stain. Here. And on the other side here. It's not perfect, but it's nice for this amount of money. I think it's a good dupe. Of a designer handbag, and this checker material doesn't have any any logos like about original bag, so it's like dupe. Also a zipper. Let's see how it goes. It's nice and small or not really. It's kind of small but not 100%. Maybe you have to be careful when you operate it, because this part is not stitched here and it might be need to stitch it. Maybe I would have to stitch it alone to make sure it doesn't separate. So it's not perfect. I will be careful when doing it, because it makes those turns. And inside it's like a big hole, but it has one pocket here, which is on zipper even, which is cute. You can put here some belongings, and here it comes with locker. Let's open it. Nice locker. Let's test it out. Will it open? Let's see. This is really funny. Oh, you put it like this way. Like this. And then you turn right. And it's open. So nice. I will put it back here in my pocket. And zip it. So yeah, this is my nice bag from Louis Vuitton dupe. The lining inside looks like this. It's like together with this material outside, and it looks like it's a warm felt or something. And I think I will put here maybe bag organizer to not be slouchy bag, but if you like slouchy, it could be slouchy. Yeah, so this is my, I think this print is good for summer because it's light and will match many outfits, summer outfits. And other one can be also summer, but also winter, fall. Yeah, so this is really nice dupe. I also want to show you how it looks on me. So it looks like this. So this is how it looks on me. So as you can see, it looks fine, but it's a little bit slouchy. This part slouching inside. When it's slouchy, it looks funny. Like this. Looks funny, but cute. Here you have back. Yeah, it's really nice color, beige, well management and neutral color. Grays, black, grays, beiges. It's really good for summer dresses. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my unboxing for today. It's really humid. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy such videos. Please give thumbs up and subscribe. If you want more unboxings, then thumbs up, and then I will know that you like such videos, and I will try to do more. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.